Welcome to Come Learn Forex. In this video, we'll have a look at what is Forex and we will break it down into three simple aspects. The concept of foreign exchange, how does a Forex transaction look, and how does the Forex chart look. So what exactly is foreign exchange? Foreign exchange, also known as Forex or abbreviated as FX, is the process of changing one currency into another. This could be done for a variety of reasons, usually for conducting foreign trade and business. For example, if a person is traveling abroad, in most cases, the person would have to use the specific currency of the country traveled to in order to transact on its territory. And here's a little fact. On average, over $6 trillion are exchanged on a daily basis in the massive foreign exchange market, which is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. So let's look at how does a Forex transaction look like. This is a Forex transaction. Let's suppose we take 100 pounds sterling and we would like to exchange that for United States dollars at the exchange rate of 1.32. What we will receive is 132 United States dollars at that current rate. However, if the rate goes up to 1.42, we will then receive $142, which is $10 more. On the other hand, if the exchange rate drops to 1.22, we will then receive $10 less than our initial transaction value, which makes it to $122 instead. If the exchange rate remains unchanged, we will see no change in the amount that we receive from our transaction, leaving it at 132 United States dollars. So how does the Forex chart look? This is a Forex chart. In this particular example, we will have a look at the United States dollar versus the Canadian dollar's exchange rate. We can see green candlesticks which illustrate the exchange rate moving up or increasing. We could also see red candlesticks which illustrate that same exchange rate going lower or decreasing. Lastly, on the right-hand side, we can see the price ruler, which illustrates the current price, which is sitting at 1.20287 at the current moment. If you have enjoyed this Forex-related content, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Also, comment below on what you would like to see next.